Next, I'm going to talk about number 7 and number 8. They kind of go hand in hand, maintaining the armed forces and declaring war and making peace. I think both of these are easy to understand why they would be powers only for the United States government or the federal government. You really don't want the states to go out there and just have to individually deal with their armed forces. In fact, the one biggest issue that was probably leading to the Confederation across the board was to have a unified military. So to have one army and one navy that's overseen by the United States of America is in the best interest of the national defense for the entire country. Along with that, declaring war and making peace. United States government has to oversee everything with this. You don't want individual states to go out and create conflicts that then drag the remaining 12 or more states, depending how things go in the future, into warfare. To bring an end to war, bringing peace to the end of a war is also something that gets negotiated on behalf of the entire nation, not just part of it. So maintaining the armed forces, declaring war and making peace, keeping this nation protected and safe, that's a power that's dedicated to the federal government.